My name is Rebekah Rauser, and the name of my piece is Safety First World. It was commissioned by the City of Austin Art and Public Places Tempo program. My piece combines familiar playground forms with an unfamiliar mass of Italian military surplus landmine markers. Pull it over this way. The idea of the piece is to just put people in a position of getting this new information and having some sort of reaction, possibly emotional reaction, or ignoring the information altogether. I think we all interpret and process information in different ways. Is that all of them for now? The Tempo program gives so many people like myself an opportunity to experience what the process is for creating a piece of public artwork, and it's been very eye-opening, and I feel very fortunate to have been part of this program this year.